Good morning, guys. So yeah, as you just saw on the title, I got a new car. But to make this clear, still here. The E46 is still here. I still got it. Don't worry. But yeah, I just needed a better daily because dailying the E46 with the differential and all that, it's not very good. It gets annoying over time. But yeah, I just need something um, more economical, and then this is what I got. It's a Audi A4 V7 S-Line 2-liter turbo diesel. But yeah, for the type of driving that I do, this is perfect. But yeah, I'll just show you around. Yesterday I gave it a wash, that's why you can see the beads. Yeah, so yeah, here it is. I will just show you the engine bay, which is quite clean, to be fair. It's missing a badge, oh my god. But yeah, I'll have to get that soon. It's a quite new fuel filter. It had a new turbo. I mean, not brand new, but like obviously newer than the old one. And then had a new throttle body, or I don't know, pedal. I don't know. For me, it looks like a throttle body, yeah. As you can see here, brand new. And a few other bits done to it, but it's pretty much stock. Yeah, I love this bit here. Okay, nice. Oh, it's missing a bit here, but it's alright. But yeah, this is it. Like, there is nothing. Like, there is a bit missing here as well, which I don't like, but you know how I go. I'll fix that. Yep. But yeah, that's it. There is not, literally there's not much to show because it's pretty much stock. I can show you the interior. It's actually very clean. Look at the seats. Hey, yeah. Oh, look, this is the best bit. Oh, cup holder. Yeah, and then you just push it in. This is the best bit of this car. But yeah, it's clean. I don't know. I'm not fussy about when it comes to cosmetics, but yeah, as long as it works, I'm good with it. Let's see. A little bit of a clean there. The roof is not sagging. The seats are very well kept. Yeah, so I picked up this car yesterday. The owner was pretty good. It's got a 150. Nah, what? Yeah. Wait, let me check. Let me check the mileage. Yes. Yeah, I got 151k on the clock. Yeah, it's good for what it is. I've seen some A4s with different steering wheel. They look good actually, so might do that soon. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I've seen some other. I went to look for another car yesterday before I got this one, and the car was all good, full of paperwork and everything. Like, it seemed clean, seemed like it was worked on. Only two owners, but the guy who tried to sell me the car, I said, yeah, paperwork and everything. We agreed on a price, which was fairly good. The car, I test drove it and it was actually good, pulled well. But then went to do the paperwork. Obviously, I still didn't pay him. So I asked him, "Do you have the logbook?" He said, "Yeah, it's all in there. All the V5, complete V5, all this that. Yeah, I got everything there." I said, "Okay." We went in his house to get the logbook, to the paperwork and the payment. And before I done the payment, I said, Okay, let me have a look at the logbook. And he just pulled the the green slip. I was just like, nope, nope, that's not gonna work. That's nah, ain't no way, bruh. I'm not stupid. But yeah, yeah, there was a no deal, and I just walked away. So this is it's something for you guys as well to learn that if you go and buy a car or a bike or anything, there needs to have the logbook, and the owner just has a green slip or no logbook, and they will say, oh, no worries, when I get the logbook, I'll transfer the name and everything. And then if they don't have the full logbook where you can do the transfer straight away, walk away. Otherwise it's gonna be more problems for you, because then the green slip is on his name, and you cannot just get the green slip and go home and tax it for yourself, because it's to tax it again you need a different code which is on the new logbook. So just avoid that, but yeah, I walked away from that, and then I messaged this guy who had this one, and then yeah, went there, test drove it, was all good, checked all the other things, and agreed on a good price, and yeah, job done. Just need to pump these tires here. Look, it was 18 psi. That was low. Yeah. These wheels are curved. Look at that. Ay. Yeah, proper curve. Look at the guys here. Still going up. Running out of battery. I ran out of battery. Had to go back home and charge it up again. Yeah, it's just here. Pumping it again. It's going up. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go to work now. Alright, see you guys